Hello viewers, my name is Zahir Ahmed Chaudhary and you are watching Tech Hub TV. Today I will further elaborate Countif function. Let's move to Countif function. You can see I have data with item and quantity. Today my criteria is I want to see number of cells with value that is greater than 10. Number of cells with a value less than 10, greater than 20, not equal to 0 and equal to 0. Let me show you the formula. Is equal to count if and then range. My range is this. And then what is the criteria? Criteria is greater than 10. Number of cells containing greater than 10 value. So you can see it is 15. Now let me show you the less than 10 is equal to count if range is the same, and then what is the criteria? Less than 10. Less than 10. So the three cells are here which are containing value 10, less than 10. Now greater than 20 is equal to count if range is this, then greater than 20. So greater than 20 is only one value, one time, it is repeating one time. Not equal to 0 is equal to count if, what is the range? Range is this, and then criteria. Not less than, not greater than, it does mean value is not equal to 0. So the total 17 cells not having 0 equal to 0 is equal to count if range is the same, and then not is equal to 0, equal to 0. So there are two cells which are having 0 value. You can see this one and this one. These are two with 0. So this is all with the sum if function. So let's move to, this is the all for count if function. Let's move to count ifs function. Count if function will look two criteria. Before in count if function we have only see one criteria, but here we can see more than one criteria. So I have one column B with items, then region, then quantity. So now I have to look for monitors and then the regions. I want to see in north regions how many times we sold monitor. Okay, so come here. Is equal to count ifs. Count ifs. Now criteria 1 range. Criteria 1 range is this. And then what is criteria? Criteria is monitor. And now criteria 2. What is criteria 2? It is the regions. And then criteria 2 range is, I have selected the range for criteria 2. Now what is the criteria? Criteria is this, G2 cell. So monitor in north region are repeating 3 times. Let me check. monitor, just select monitor and then north. You can see monitor in north region 3 times. It is repeating 3 times. Now in next step, my first criteria is the same and the second criteria I change. I have taken this quantity column. So let's see now. Count ifs. Criteria range. What is the criteria range? First criteria range. This is the first criteria range. And then what is first criteria? This cell F3. And then the second criteria is quantity. This is the range. And then what is the criteria? This 16. So keyboard with 16 value is repeating only once. Let me check. Keyboard and then 16. You can see it is only once. So guys, this is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this channel.